So my hair is all braided up, and you guys, this random one right here, like I braided my hair into these two parts, so don't mind that. It's fine. Like, you do not have to be perfect with this braiding process as long as the top is flat. Like, this is the most important part, that this part is flat. So I'm gonna just start pinning these braids up, and then I can put on the wig cap.